I think it's a very good initiative by the government, because many times you find governments involved in spending, but we do not engage in what we call savings, especially for when we have difficult periods. And St. Lucia, being located in the Caribbean, where we are prone to disasters like hurricane and other distresses that would affect our economy, it's always important that every government see how they can create some form of savings to really stimulate the economy and to address issues in very difficult periods. So the Sovereign Wealth Fund, I think that is the most exciting part of it for me. Some people say, why keep money there, or you have money, but you never know what the future brings. And it's also a lesson for our young people too, because a lot of our young people, they do engage in productive earnings, but what they do, they actually spend every cent that they have. They don't know about what the older persons were saying, like preparing for the wet days. So that is an opportunity for St. Lucia to take that step in the right direction. And from what I understood, there are many Caribbean countries that may follow suit.
To debate the Sovereign Wealth Fund, I think it's a very important intervention by our government, and it's all part and parcel of our overall financial management architecture, where we are laying a foundation for the next generation, because we live in a world that is very volatile, very dynamic, and you cannot rely on traditional methods of raising revenue and financial management for the advancement of our country. I don't want to say too much. Let us just wait for the debate, and I'm sure at the end of the day, St. Lucians will, in their wisdom, appreciate this particular intervention for what it is, and of course it will be down to the benefit of our people.